Okay, here's a quick review of my BBB Enterprises steering rack. Put it on about 9 months ago. Within 6 months it was leaking like anything. Now it's leaking like crazy. Bought it on Rock Auto. Complete worthless piece of junk. The crossover tube, I actually just unplugged it just now, just so that the oil will start draining out over there instead of all over the place. Absolutely ridiculous. You know, they guarantee this thing, but if you've ever replaced your steering rack, do you really want to redo it? Just to redo it again, a second time, third time, fourth time? What I'll probably wind up doing when I really feel like going through this headache is rip it out and get some sort of Chinese aftermarket one. Try that. But absolutely ridiculous. None of these guys who rebuild these anymore, they're junk. You'd be better off finding somebody who does it locally, take in your rack and have them rebuild it for you, and hopefully they have a little bit of pride in their work. And at least you can walk in the front door and start yelling at them if it starts leaking. So thumbs down on BBB Enterprises Grand Caravans steering rack. Here's the driver's side. Look at this thing. The 15-year-old steering rack that I yanked out of here that was leaking just had a light leak, but I was replacing the control arms, blah blah blah, so I said okay, do it all in one shot. Big mistake buying with BB or BBB Enterprises. Stay away. Nothing but worthless junk. Got it on Rock Auto. Typically they're okay, but this is junk. Look at this. This is how bad that steering rack is leaking 6 months after.